Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin access and the laptop is plugged in. This prevents interruptions during checks. Once ready, open System Information, msinfo32, or Settings right arrow About. These tools show the model and OS build which matter for compatibility. Make sure to write down the exact device name, system SKU, and Windows version so you can match drivers and capabilities later. This first step saves time and avoids guessing which GPU variant your laptop uses. Now you move to the identification phase. Open Device Manager and expand Display Adapters to see the basic GPU name. This gives vendor and model. Run dxdiag, Win+R right arrow dxdiag, to confirm the renderer, driver versions, and manufacturer. Comparing driver dates helps determine OEM updates. For detailed hardware ID and real-time clocks, run GPU-Z or check Task Manager's Performance tab. These tools reveal whether the GPU is integrated or discrete and show RAM and bus type, which explains real-world performance differences. Finish by verifying hardware ID from Device Manager, Properties, right arrow Details, right arrow Hardware ID, against the manufacturer site to confirm the exact GPU SKU and revision. Then download and install the matched driver from the OEM or NVIDIA/AMD. Use release notes to confirm support for your OS build. If the GPU doesn't appear or behaves oddly, reboot into BIOS to check hybrid graphics or discrete GPU enablement, update BIOS and drivers, and as a last resort, reset the module or contact support. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.